Have you ever marveled at the seamless efficiency of a well-oiled machine? Wondered how companies consistently deliver top-notch products and services, regardless of the business environment? It is because these enterprises provide employees with precise instructions that outline how the business needs to be done. It is called a Standard Operating Procedure, SOP. SlideTeam presents you Standard Operating Procedures templates to ensure high-quality work performance and results across the organization. Also, grab 15% off on the presentation to simplify your operations. This is a PPT template that helps you create a simple yet effective SOP for your organization. Simply state purpose, procedure, frequency, steps, and outcomes of the process. Here is another PowerPoint template that highlights the SOP for routine business activity. It includes the scope, procedure, and responsibilities associated with the activities. Use this content-ready PowerPoint template to create an action plan for SOPs to conduct business processes with efficiency. Deploy this presentation template to create SOPs specifically to prevent industrial accidents by covering possible risks as the slide depicts. It also highlights mitigation plan to combat the threats. Download this PowerPoint deck on SOP and ensure consistency, precision, and quality within your organization. SlideTeam also brings you well-structured SOPs for revision of sensitive official documents, audit of business processes, legal SOP, and more. This is a PowerPoint presentation that provides an SOP for training programs too. It showcases the scope and procedure that you must adopt for the same. Grab this pre-designed PPT template and illustrate to your team the SOP to be followed to ensure chemical safety at lab. Highlight the protocol to follow, along with the scope and details of the lab director. Resolve customers' issues and help your legal team set simple procedures in line using these ready-made PowerPoint templates. Use this SOP PPT module to cultivate a culture of precision, reliability, and innovation, standing as beacons of success in your respective industries.